Hi, this is Charles from Yukon Learning, and I had a question on how do I create a menu for the beginning of my course that loops, or aka looks like a DVD menu that you might get, a Blu-ray menu that plays at the beginning and just sort of loops, and then the user can, when they're ready, click on one of the menus to activate it or hit the play button to just begin the course. Here's an example that I created. I'll just let it play. It's about 16 seconds long. Okay, so there's the menu. So I just played for about 16 seconds, ran through a series of animations, and then it just began again rather than getting to the end and just stopping and being static. It's actually fairly simple to set up. Go back to my PowerPoint here, and here's my it's just beginning slide. It has all these images that are animating in and out. These would be hyperlinked to the various things. So go to the next slide and just play. Have a chapter slide maybe that the user could select from different areas, and then a resources slide that the users could get the additional information or use to download objects or go to different websites. Okay, so that happens. Let's just take a look at the animations. You see we just have a whole series of animations that just run by themselves. If I go look at the actual, now this is not, none of them are on click, so I had to manually set them up to be timed. They're all running around fast, like about a half a second to sometimes very fast, 0.25 seconds. And but the secret of this is the way to get it to loop on itself is just to go to the Articulate tab, go to Slide Properties. Now this example only have one slide, so that's all we'll be seeing. And so here's my slide, and you'll see in the branching I have set to next slide is 1, and it automatically advances. So literally it gets to the end, it automatically advances back on itself. Let's click this. Again, I just used rather than go to the default, I just selected the slide that I wanted. I just selected the slide itself, and so then as it's going through, it ends, and then it just loops back on itself. Really simple to do. Nice effect. Music plays, like I said, for 16 seconds, and it's actually a soundtrack in the slide itself. It's not background music. Any additional questions on this? I'm happy to answer them. Charles with Yukon Learning. It's Zafuto at yukongroupinc.com, or tweet me. And thanks. Have a good day.